Hold it right there. It's me, Johnny. I knew it was you. I could smell you coming off the elevator. You were here last night too, wasn't you? And you were smooching with my brother. Johnny, I was not. I was over in love with you. I was not making out with that guy. I'm over the moon for you. Maybe I'm off my inches, but I believe you. That's why I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna give you to the count of 3. Wait. I forgot something. If you love me, get down on your knees and tell me you love me. I love you, Johnny, all over the moon, forever and ever. You gotta do better than that. I love you, Johnny. Maybe I'm off my inches, but I believe you. Stupid bitch. That's why I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to get your lousy, lying, 4-footed, 16-ounce gown caucus out my door. 1, 2. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year. And cut.